That warning light just came on. And now you're wondering, is it safe to keep driving, or should you stop right now? When you see these lights together, steering assist, traction control, tire pressure, and the check engine light, the car is trying to tell you something important. Let's go through what you can check, in the right order. First things first, pull over somewhere safe and shut the car off. Give the system a moment to fully power down. Start the car again. You'd be surprised how often these lights come on because of a quick computer glitch. If they disappear, you're probably okay. If they're still on, no problem. Here's what to check next. Take a quick walk around the car. Look at your tires. One low tire can trigger the traction system and even affect steering behavior. If one looks low, air it up to the correct pressure. Now get back in and turn the steering wheel slowly left, then right. Don't force it, just enough to let the steering system recalibrate. Start the car again and see if the steering warning clears. Next, pop the hood and look at the battery. Loose or dirty battery terminals can cause multiple warning lights at once. Tighten them. Clean them if needed. Low voltage is one of the most common causes. If the lights are still on, use a flashlight and look around the steering column area. Loose connectors or damaged wiring near the ignition or steering system can trigger this exact combination of lights. At this point, try a reset. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Wait about 10 seconds, turn it off. And do that once or twice. Then start the car. If the check engine light is flashing, stop right there. Don't keep driving. Flashing means active engine damage could be happening. If everything stays on after all of this, that's when an OBD2 scanner helps. Even a basic one can tell you if it's a wheel speed sensor, a steering angle sensor, an EPS fault, or an engine issue. The key thing to remember is this. If the steering feels heavy, jerky, or unpredictable, don't drive it. If the car drives normally but the lights stay on, get it checked soon. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment your car's year, make, and model, and tell me which lights are on. I'll tell you exactly what to check next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.